Today, man, I want to show you guys how you can convert your Charger to the new 2019 look. Now, you gotta have the SRT package, front fascia package, in order to do this to your car. So let's just click on this Scatpack right here. Now, see how he has the front fascia, just like the Hellcat, and in order for you to do this conversion, so your car can look like the 2019, you gotta already have this package on your car. So even if you got like a GT, so if we go to let's see, a 2019 GT, let's see, and I think this is pretty cool, man, because that way your car can look just like the new ones without trading in your car. So you go Dodge Charger, let's say 2019 GT. See now, see how the front of the car looks just like the SRT. I know a lot of people don't like that, but it is what it is. That's how Dodge make their money. So if your car look like that in the front, even if it's a RT, you can convert to the new front fascia like this. Now, there's the new Grille. And all you got to do is call your local dealer and give them this part number. I'm gonna show y'all the part numbers where you can call them, man, and let them know what you're trying to do and convert your 2016 all the way up to 2018 and convert it to the 2019 look. Oh, let me go up. I don't went past the daggone thing. Let's see. And unfortunately, I can't do it because the front of my car, I don't have the SRT front fascia package, so I can't do it. But if you got like the RT, I think it's the RT Plus or the RT Super Track Pack or whatever the heck it's called, you can make this conversion. See that? So all you would do is just remove this grill and put that one on, and in front of your car look just like the brand new ones. And I'm pretty sure you can probably find this grill on eBay or Amazon, whichever one works. And see, now your car look just like that. Now, I don't advise you to put the SRT badge on there, especially if you got a GT. Please don't put the SRT badge on your front like that. But if you got like now here's the parts right here. See, here's the part numbers. And I'm gonna leave this part in the description. So if you're interested in getting it, man, you can just call your local dealer, give them the part numbers, and I guess what kind of car you got, and they should be able to hook you up, man. I think it's pretty cool, Who wouldn't want their car to look like, the new ones? And see right here, it say 2016 Dodge Charger SRT 392. Right here. To the 2019 Grille update. That's pretty damn cool if you ask me. I mean, it's not a big deal. Like I said, they didn't do much to the 2019 as far as changing the outside. Just those inlets. And if you got the Hellcat, I think you gotta change your fog lights so you can so it look like the updated 2019 Hellcats. If you got like a 2018 or 2016 Hellcat. So let's go see let's look at a 20. Okay, see, a 2019 Hellcat doesn't have fog lights. See that? That's why they say you have to add the delete grill for the fog lights. So I think this is pretty cool, man. I just wanted to do a short video, man. Let you know that you definitely can convert your car to this new look if you choose to do that. That's definitely your prerogative. And it's too bad that my car, I can't do it because I have a completely different front on my RT. You see, Dodge Charger 2016. Let's go to the RT. Let me show you what my front looks. I'm pretty sure everybody knows, but since we're doing the video, let's check it out. Now I have this front on my car. Let's see. I have this type of grill, and you can't add that. You can't add those inlets to that type of grill. You got to completely change the whole fascia, which is not a bad thing to do. Okay, here's a white one just like mine. Here's a white one just like mine, and you see the grill is completely different. So I would have to completely change this whole front in order to get the new look. And it's not a big deal because I've seen the front fascias on eBay and Amazon. Look like they're about $500, but I've been doing some research and it seemed like you got to be careful because you don't want to get, a fake one, or you don't want to get something that's not going to last. So I would advise to buy it from the dealership. That way, you're getting the Mopar OEM part instead of going, ordering it from one of these side dealers or one of these off-brand companies. But I really see. I like the way that front looks right there, man. That's pretty daggone cool, bro. But that's all this video is about. Just wanted to make a quick video, letting you guys know you definitely can convert your car to the new look. See, I like that, man. See those bumpers? See, my bumpers aren't even like that. My rear bumper. So I would have to get like the whole kit in order to convert my car to look like a Scatpack. And I really don't want to do that because my car's a RT. I don't have a problem with my RT, so there's no reason for me to riding around trying to look like a Scatpack, and it's not a Scatpack. Even though I know they sell the RTs now, come with the SRT fascia package or whatever. It comes with the bumpers and the front fascia and the spoiler and all that stuff, and look just like a SRT. But I'd rather just keep my car the way it is, and when I decide to go with a Scatpack, I'll have the Scatpack look because I have a damn Scatpack. But that's the end of this video, man. I just wanted to do a quick video talking about how you can convert your car to look like the 2019s. If you're interested, man, like I said, I'm gonna leave the part numbers and in the description, so you can go down there, copy that, call your dealership, man, place your order. And so that's the end of this video. If your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.